Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I'm wearing a shirt from iWhoop. See, it's got a bowl of ramen on it and ramen stuff on it. And you can get these at iwoot.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount, yada yada yada. The other thing I got is Pikachu Shoyu Ramen. Yep. Look, it's got Pikachu. They're calling it Pokemon Shoyu Ramen on this. But I mean, come on. There's a lot of yellow, a lot of Pikachu, and a lot more Pikachu. So I'm just calling it Pika Ramen. I don't know. But this came in a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.com, use the coupon, no, zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount, if you dare. So, yeah. There's the noodle block going in there. And here's the bits and stuffings going in there, too. So, how is everyone? I am I'm done. I've had enough of it. Calgon, take me away. Too much of this stupid. It is so stupid. But you know, what can you do? It's what you gotta do. You gotta stay inside. You gotta avoid. You gotta know that nothing's gonna be fun for like a week or two or a month or a year. I don't know, but it's grinding on my head. We got 3 minutes left. But yeah, I mean, I'm ready to get the message. Hey, the schools are open, so Miles will be able to go have fun going to school again, and me and Mimi will be able to go out on the road and drive the stroller around and enjoy nice weather, but we don't even have nice weather right now. I went out for a walk by myself between 5 a.m. and 10 a.m. yesterday. That went pretty good, but it was intermixed with rain and clouds and some sun. I don't know, but it's killing me. It's really hard to get all my walking in, that's for sure. Yesterday was the first time I got 12 miles in yesterday. It's just brutal. Absolutely brutal for me to sit and be like, yep. Yeah. I'm hoping we're just getting the April showers in March instead of April. And that things just kind of mellow. Because I'm having a hard time with this whole thing. I will say right off. Clean off the bat. It's just no fun. But, yeah. Wow, I don't even have any tickets. I don't have any tickets to peel. That's saying something. I think one of the sadder parts is the fact that if you go to the grocery store right now, they won't give your kid a cookie at the bakery. And that's tragic. That's like every week we were getting like 5 cookies a week going to the bakery. And, hello in there. Hello. But, yeah, that's not happening currently. A cookie. And what have I been doing? When I do walk, I've been playing Pokemon Go. I know, it's bad, isn't it? It's really bad. But yesterday I got so many Pokeballs and junk that's just like ridiculous. I don't know. I never thought I'd ever be playing this stupid game. It's cool, but it's not. It's like, I'm an adult. Why am I playing a video game? That's one thing that I still don't understand. It's like, Video games are really popular for adults to play, and I don't know. It's like killing time. I can't do it. I mean, like, I'm making content. It's like if I'm not building something or making something every day, it drives me nuts. If I'm like, people are like, dude, you're just taking pictures of noodles. It's like, yeah, I'm taking pictures of noodles, but you know, there's a certain creative element to it that I really like and I really enjoy. But sitting around and not doing that, oh, look at that. Whoa. They're like leeches. They're like little pokey leeches. Let me give it a taste first. I think this will work out pretty well with the pokey leeches. Let's see what we got here. That tastes like Spam. A pokey head. Yep, that is kamaboko. Basically, it's just fish cake. Noodle, 3 minutes. That went well. The broth. Salty. I don't know, I'm not enthralled by that one. Usually they'll do a couple Pokemon style things every year, and they're just, I don't know. They don't make me go, wow, that's amazing. But I'm gonna use a yellow bowl because I mean it's kind of makes sense the way I look at it. Now we need our little our little heads here. Okay. Separate. Come on, let go. Sometimes that's the problem with these little kamaboko bits. They just don't want to separate from each other. There we go. I'm just trying to get them all in a little glut right here. Okay. It'll just be like a herd of Pikachu. So you can know that it's Pokemon related. There you go. That does it for me. And then, what do we want to add? Well, we're going to do egg. Because I think that's the right thing to do with shoyu. Egg. That'll work. This is gonna be like the nicest looking Pokemon shoyu you'll ever see. That's for show. And we're even gonna go with some fish cake. Got some sprouties. And spring onion. And what else do we got? We're gonna do a little bit of sesame seed, which I really need to get more of. I've never used this much sesame seed in my life. I always like have to throw a thing of them away before I actually go through this menu. Jeez. Jeez, man. Jeez. And have a little shichimi. A lot of shichimi. But that's okay. That'll work out. Working on out. Working on out. Sometimes when you make an error in a ramen, go like this. You take a paper towel, roll it up tight, and make a point. And like this. You just use it like a... See? There you go. And now it's done. And look, the sun's out again. Or it's gone away, rather. That's such a bummer. That's kind of how it works. It's gonna be, I'll take pictures and everything, and then go and get ready to toss this, and the sun will come out again, and yeah, that's just kind of how it works. But what can I say? It's Washington. Alright. Rotato. Alright. Thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoy yourself. Have a good one. Bye.